Alright, what's going on, guys? It is Josh back. This is my trade review for Thursday, August 6th. It's a little late in the day, but I'm still gonna get this out for y'all. So, going into market open, let's go to the daily time frame. Um, we've just full rebalance this range, full rebalance. Let me get this over here. So it's full rebalanced. We hit 50% literally perfectly, which is kind of crazy. Full rebalanced. We have bullish SMT, which is now delivering us. We go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. ES tapped into this gap. NQ has now tapped into this gap. We have bearish SMT with all-time highs, but it's not delivering us. We've been had bullish SMT, or Ben had bearish SMT, sorry, and it's not delivering us. And overall, we have stacked highs right here. NQ wants all-time highs. We just rebalanced this whole range, and now we're recovering, displacing up with speed. Go to the 1-hour time frame. Rebalance. It's just gaps we have. That's all we really have is just gaps below us that we're going to rebalance into and then displace higher off of. Here, let me show you guys the daily time frame real quick, actually. Sorry. So daily time frame. ES hasn't tapped into this daily gap yet. NQ has. Here, let me just pull. Sorry, get my little face out the way. See the gaps right here. So just remember that. That's CE of the gap. And then, so 250. I'm going to just mark it 250. 250 is CE of the daily fair value gap, a strong rejection point. And then on top of that, we've had this bullish SMT that's failed us about 7 times. Why is it failing us if we're really bullish? Because ES wants to take this low. This is the 4-hour low. This is a daily low. Us sweeping this low will stop right at the 4-hour time frame, and we'll tap into the daily gap on ES. That's all we want. If us failing these SMTs means ES wants to take this low. Let's go into it. Go into the day. So I'm bullish going into the day. Once ES takes this low, we don't really have any lows, any more lows lower to take. So ES now took that low. NQ taps CE a daily wick, or daily fair value gap. So now I'm thinking to myself, like, alright, ES might want to put in reversal sequence and then go out. If not, like, let's see. I'm bullish. I'm gonna catch along. I'm not even looking to short. Everything I'm doing, if I see a short leg, I'm just looking at that as a FOMO leg that FOMO sellers in, and then I'm gonna take the trade up to their stop loss. So we now have SMT with 930 open. Whoa. I gotta go back a little bit. All that shit happened way too quick. Sorry. Alright, so we have SMT now with daily open, 930 open. Whole time, we have all of this LR above us. If you tell me this shit's not getting taken today, I'm gonna look at you and say you're lying, because we have nothing lower and we have all of these juicy ass draws above us. Like, we have all this shit above us. We want higher. So bearish SMT failing. We then get 2 FOMO red candles are. FOMO bearish candles. All I see this is people who are longing here. They're getting scared out of their longs. People who just see 2 displacement ass bearish candles down, they're shorting. And I'm looking at ES, I'm saying, okay, we sweep draw. Maybe we want to come down, swoop this low, and then go higher. But then I also seen that ES has this little mini BISI right here. So like maybe we want to tap into this, respect this, and then go higher. That's the two things I could see. ES tapping into this BISI, displacing higher. ES coming down, reversal sequence at this low, SMT, and then deliver us higher. Those are the two things I could see. Candle opens, comes down, taps into the BISI, instantly bullish hash reaction. And if you look on NQ, full displacement candle. Full displacement candle. So I just longed in that candle and I TP'd at the internal high. And then boom, TP bang. So that was trade number 1 I took, just up to this internal high. And then the next trade I took was, whole time ES just left like, we didn't 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 equal highs right here on ES. This high was never taken. We kept on rejecting out of it. Once again, only half of this LRLR is taken. We still have so much more highs higher to take. So I wanted to see if I could get it into another long. We then put in a reversal sequence with what we probably say like these highs right here. Reversal sequence, invite sellers, stop them out. We now have bearish SMT. It fails. I didn't want to take this quite yet because price isn't moving efficiently right now. I want to just wait a little bit longer until it looks good to long on ES2. Because I'm still bullish. We didn't just sweep daily low and then push all the way up here to not take these draws on liquidity. Like this shit, all of this is getting taken. There's no way this shit is not getting taken. This shit's getting taken. So we displace lower, we rebalance. Next candle should open up, go lower if we're really bearish. Rebalance, displace higher. I longed it on this candle, going higher. Longed it right there, and then I just set my TP for, like, I think I had that London high, just to be safe. It's later in the day. I don't want to shoot for moon and stars later in the day, and this is my second trade I'm taking. I don't need a home run. I've already hit TP today. I don't need a big trade. This shit just looks so free that I have to capitalize on these draws because I know this shit's getting taken. And then boom, just like that. TP bang. LRLR, this shit's getting taken 100% of the time. So yeah, that's trade recap for Thursday, August 6th. It was a free ass day. You guys had this long you could have taken. You guys had this long you could have taken. You guys had this long you could have taken. You guys had this long you could have taken. Like, you guys, there was no reason you guys lost today. There's no reason you should have shorted today, and there is no reason you should have lost on a long today. Zero reason. And then there's no reason why you didn't take a trade today. If you did any of one of those 3 things, you need to self-evaluate and see what the fuck I did and why the fuck I did it. Because days like today, we have clear draws, we have absolutely nothing lower, prices moving efficiently, you have to capitalize on these type of days. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me. You guys take care.